If you are aspiring to pursue higher education abroad, then this video is a must watch for you, because in this video we will cover a prestigious scholarship that is open to everyone, no matter which country you come from. This scholarship does not have any application fees, so you can apply as many scholarships as you want until you are successful. If this interests you, then stick around. Let's get started. Hey there, future Globetrotters! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Bright Sarah Magmenyo. You can call me The Business. I talk about personal finance, personal development, entrepreneurship, and migration. If any of these topics interest you, then you are at the right place. Give this video a thumbs up. Today, we've got something really exciting to talk about: the Erasmus Mundus Scholarship. So if you have ever dreamed of studying in Europe, embarking on a global adventure, and making lifelong memories while earning top-notch degrees, then this video is tailor-made for you. So you want to stick around to the end of the video so you don't miss out on any opportunity at all. In this video, we will break down everything you need to know about the Erasmus Mundus Scholarship, who they are, who is eligible, how to apply, and why they are such an incredible opportunity. First things first, what are Erasmus Mundus Scholarships? Erasmus Mundus Scholarships is a prestigious European Union initiative that supports outstanding students from all over the world to attain higher education in many European countries. Whether you are into engineering, arts, business, nursing, medicine, whatever, these scholarships open a wide arm to everybody from all over the world to study in some of the best universities in Europe. It is like a golden ticket to exploring iconic cities, diverse cultures, and building a global network while pursuing your dream education. So who can apply for these incredible scholarships? Erasmus Mundus Scholarships are available to students from all over the world at various levels: bachelor's, master's, and PhD. You can be from Europe or anywhere else. There is no discrimination. This scholarship is open from October to the January of the following year, and selected candidates are announced in April. Who is eligible to apply for this scholarship? The eligibility criteria for this scholarship varies depending on the specific programs you are applying for. So make sure to visit the official Erasmus Mundus website to search for the exact requirements for the specific programs you are applying to. But these are some of the general requirements. You will need a passport. Of course, for you to travel outside of your country, you need a passport. So that is your number one requirement. So if you are a Ghanaian watching this video right now and you don't have a passport, I have a video on how to apply for a Ghanaian passport online all by yourself. I will link it up here, so click on it and watch that later. You will need a motivation letter for the scholarship, CV in the Europass format, degree certificate, or your coursework so far if you are a level 300 student, academic transcripts, a recommendation letter, and English proficiency. Mind you, it is not all the programs that require an English proficiency, so make sure you check out the requirements to the specific programs you are applying to. If you don't have any of these documents, don't be discouraged and don't lay back. Start preparing for these documents now. Note that opportunities meet you at the point of preparedness. Now let's talk about the benefits of the Erasmus Mundus Scholarships. With these scholarships, you will enjoy a full or partial tuition fee coverage, a generous monthly stipend to cover your living expenses, travel allowances, and even insurance coverage. But note that it's not all the programs that offer these benefits. But that is not all. Erasmus Mundus is more than just about finances. It is about expanding your horizons, fostering international friendships, and gaining a unique cultural experience. The application process typically involves applying directly to your chosen Erasmus Mundus Scholarship program on their official website. You will need to prepare the essential documents you will need for the application before you head on to the website to start the application. Documents like your transcript, your degree certificate, your English proficiency confirmation or certificate, and any other requirements as stated. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your browser and look for the Erasmus Mundus catalog. So I have searched it before, so you see it appear. So Erasmus Mundus catalog. So looking here, you can see European Education and Culture Executive Agency. This is indicating that is the official website. So I will just click on that straightforward to go to the website. Now when you come, this is the website. You can see an official website of the European Union. So when you get to the website, you have to scroll down to the bottom. So when you get to the bottom here you can see Erasmus. Okay, so you can come to the Erasmus Mundus catalog. That's where you see a list of the programs available. Then you can choose the one you want and study. Okay, so let's say I am interested in public health, so I will enter public health into the search box and see the results it gives me. So after entering what I want, I scroll down and click on search. So let's see the result it has given me. So it has given me some results. So you can see public health in disasters. So I can click this to read more about the program before considering to apply. Okay, so I've just opened that in a new tab. So let's read about the public health program. So you see the program status is ongoing. It started in September 2018 and it will be ending in August 2024. And this is the amount of grants available for this program, over 4.3 million euros. So you can apply now and you stand a chance to gain this scholarship. This is a summary about the program. So you have to read everything stated over here to see how you meet the criteria. Okay, and you see the coordinator university. So this is the university coordinating the program. Okay, this is a mobility program, so you can start in one university but you will move to other universities before completing the program. So the university coordinating this program is in Spain, Universidad de Oviedo. I'm not going to try to pronounce these things. Okay, and you can see the partner universities here. Okay, the partner universities are in Cyprus and Sweden. So when you choose this program and you get the scholarship, these are the participant countries: Cyprus, Spain, and Sweden. So you can study in any of these three countries. In fact, you can study in the three of them before completing the program. Okay, so basically that is it about the Erasmus Mundus scholarships. If you want to apply, you can simply click on, you can see there's a link here that takes you directly to the program website. So when you click on this link, let me open a new tab. So we see, you click on this link, it sends you to the program website. Then you can even read more about the program to know about their requirements and everything so that you can apply, right? So let's click on this and see what it gives us and see how the application process looks like. You can see program information over here, everything, admission and selection criteria, tuition fees and scholarships. You see, you can see all those things and then use to apply. Okay, so over here, this is the application form. Say we are open, go to application form. So you click on this to go and make your application. So you can choose, you can come to the program official website
Look for as many programs as possible that align with your studies. Then you can start applying. Mind you, this program, all the scholarships are mostly open from October to January. So make good use of the time now. There's a way you can filter to know more programs. If you're interested in a particular country, like say United Kingdom, you can simply select United Kingdom. Let's say I'm interested in France. I will choose France, and then I will be able to see all the programs that are available in France. You can select a particular university you are interested in. If you know any university, you can come here, select it, say this university, École de Haute say abeg. You can select this program and then select that school and see the courses or the programs that are available in that school. So that is it about the Erasmus Mundus Scholarship.
So guys, now that you have seen how to apply for the Erasmus Mundus Scholarship, let's talk about a few tips for success. Always aim for academic excellence, and remember that a strong letter of recommendation can make a huge difference. Make your motivation letter shine, showing your passion and your commitment. Lastly, when applying, think about how the program you are choosing aligns with your career goals and your personal growth. Highlight that connection in your application. And there you have it, folks. Erasmus Mundus Scholarship is your passport to an incredible experience of international education. The advantage of exploring Europe's rich tapestry of culture while building a brighter future for yourself. So what are you waiting for? Dive into Erasmus Mundus Scholarships, unlock your potentials, and make your dreams a reality. In my next video, I will be interviewing a successful candidate who is currently studying in the United Kingdom through this same Erasmus Mundus Scholarship. He will share his experience with you, how he managed to get this scholarship and the tips he used to win. So make sure you stick around so that you don't miss this video. Press on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified immediately I upload that video. If you found any value or if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to the channel, like the video and share to your fellow dreamers. Let's keep educating ourselves and unlocking the potentials of traveling and having international education experience. See you in my next video.